21. The most. Of these three books, which book has the most pages?
Of these three books, this book has the most pages.
Which city in this country has the most people?
London is the city in this country which has the most people.
Which person in your family reads the most books?
My father is the person in my family who reads the most books.
Which school in this town has the most students?
The Callan School is the school in this town which has the most students.
Beautiful. Handsome. Ugly. Do you think Paris is an ugly city?
No, I don't think Paris is an ugly city. I think it's a beautiful city.
Do you think Siberia is a beautiful place?
No, I don't think Siberia is a beautiful place. I think it's an ugly place.
Do you think Angelina Jolie is ugly?
No, I don't think Angelina Jolie is ugly. I think she's beautiful.
Which do you think's the most beautiful place in this country?
I think London is the most beautiful place in this country.
Eat. What am I doing?
You're eating.
Do you eat all food?
No, I don't eat all food. Some I eat, and some I don't eat.
Do you eat bread without butter?
Yes, I eat bread without butter.
What do we eat with?
We eat with our mouths.
Drink. Water. Wine. Milk. What am I doing?
You're drinking.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Can we drink meat?
No, we can't drink meat. We eat meat.
Tell me the names of some drinks, please.
The names of some drinks are water, wine, and milk.
What colour's water?
Water has no colour.
Is there a drink on the table?
Yes, there's a drink on the table.
Do you drink wine?
Yes, I drink wine.
Which drink do you prefer, milk or water?
I prefer water.
Metal. Gold. Silver. Steel. Iron. Tell me the names of 4 metals, please.
The names of 4 metals are gold, silver, steel, and iron.
Made of. Key. Plastic. Is your watch made of plastic?
No, my watch isn't made of plastic. It's made of gold.
What's a key generally made of?
A key's generally made of steel.
Are you wearing anything made of silver?
Yes, I'm wearing something made of silver.
Cost. How much do you think this pen costs?
I think that pen costs about £1.
Do your shoes cost more than your handkerchief?
Yes, my shoes cost more than my handkerchief.
How much does the cinema cost in this town?
The cinema costs about £12 in this town.
Like. What does the word like mean, not the verb?
The word like means similar to or such as.
Is this book like that book?
Yes, this book is like that book.
Is your face the same as your father's?
No, my face isn't the same as my father's. It's like my father's.
Do you eat different kinds of food, like Chinese, Indian, Spanish, etc.?
Yes, I eat different kinds of food, like Chinese, Indian, Spanish, etc.
Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Weekend. Tell me the names of the days of the week, please.
The names of the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
What do we call Saturday and Sunday?
We call Saturday and Sunday the weekend.
Today. Yesterday. Tomorrow. Was. Will be. To be. What's today?
Today's Tuesday.
What was yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday.
What will tomorrow be?
Tomorrow will be Wednesday.
What will the day after tomorrow be?
The day after tomorrow will be Thursday.
What was the day before yesterday?
The day before yesterday was Sunday.